Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up TP-Link TL-MR3020 portable Wi-Fi router. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the TP-Link TL-MR3020 portable Wi-Fi router is a compact travel router that lets you create a secure Wi-Fi network wherever you go. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Now plug the router into a power source using the micro USB cable and adapter, or a power bank/laptop USB port. The LED light will turn on, indicating the router is powered. Find the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, on the router's label, e.g., TP-Link_XXXX, and connect using the default password. Open a web browser on your connected device. Type tplinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1 in the address bar and press enter. Enter the default username and password, usually admin/admin. Click Login to access the setup page. Now the TP-Link login page appears in front of you. Click Next for the quick setup. Select router mode from the mode options. Then click on the Next button. Now connect to the internet. Plug an Ethernet cable from your modem or internet source into the router's LAN/WAN port. The router will detect the connection type, dynamic IP, static IP, or PPPoE. If required, enter the internet details provided by your ISP, e.g., username and password for PPPoE. Choose a Wi-Fi network name, SSID. Set a Wi-Fi password to secure your network. Click Save/Apply to confirm your settings. The router will restart to apply changes. Reconnect your device using the new Wi-Fi network and password. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.